This video explains how to switch between the modes on your GA-900 watch. Hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. Press the mode button to switch from timekeeping mode to countdown timer mode. Press the mode button again to switch to world time mode. Now, switch to the alarm mode by pressing the mode button. Similarly, stopwatch mode can be selected by pressing the mode button. Press the mode button again to return to timekeeping mode. In timekeeping mode, you can toggle the digital display between home city date and home city time by pressing the reset button.